Hey guys, it's Ryan here, 𝐬𝐿𝐫𝐞. I'm with my clients Richard and LaKeisha. I'm in Belleville, Illinois, and today I took care of their carpets, got it clean, hygienic, and got to take care of some pet issues for them. And guys, they're just blown away. And they want to speak to their overall experience with my company. Without further ado, guys, take it away.
All right. Well, I will say from the time you arrive to the time you're walking out the door, customer service has been exceptional. I appreciated the education that I received while on site and just learning more about carpets and how to really get those clean. So I appreciate that, the explanation behind the work that this company does. Our carpet looks amazing, and I'm excited to just finally have some really clean carpet.
If you have any stains, you need anything removed on your carpets, 𝐬𝐿 Cleaning is the company to go to. Thank you very much for making our home what it is.